The Toad and the Kangaroo. Said the Toad to the Kangaroo, "I can hop and so can you. So if we marry, we'll have a child who can jump a mountain or hop a mile, and we can call it a Toadaroo." Said the hopeful Toad to the Kangaroo. Said the Kangaroo, "My dear, what a perfectly lovely idea. I would most gladly marry you. But as for having a Toadaroo, I'd rather we call it a Kangarood." Said the Kangaroo to the frowning Toad. So they argued but couldn't agree on a road-a-two or a kangaree. And finally the Toad said, "I don't give a darn if it's a road-a-code or a toad-a-kang. I really don't feel like marrying you." "Fine with me," said the Kangaroo. And the Toad had no more to say, and the Kangaroo just hopped away. And they never married or had a child that could jump a mountain or hop a mile. What a loss! What a shame! Just 'cause they couldn't agree upon a name.